just stopped, coming out of Boulder, heading up the mountain. I thought I'd stop and get a quick side the road shot. You see some of the mountains over here. The mountains we're going on are actually behind there. That one back between them trees there is the one we're going out on, I believe. Kind of rainy looking. It's not really raining, but a couple of drops here and there. So, all right, I think we'll go and get a little more footage a little later. This is what we're riding on. Both of these are Andes. Strom 650 Strom. I don't even know what this one is. What is that bike?
DR 650.
Yeah, they're both Suzuki's. That's for trail and kind of the area we're going through. That bike's really suited for. This one here is, what do they call this? Multi-use or something, or dual sport? Yeah. Probably 150 pounds heavier though, so it's not quite as good in the tight places. All right, yeah, we got about 50 miles to go, and we went about not quite 40, so we got a little over 50 to go. We're about 10 or 15 miles further up the road. This is Clear Creek. This highway follows it all the way up, and we've done a lot of gold prospecting off of this water. Found gold probably almost every time. Not a lot, but some. This is the road that would go up towards Black Hawk. Probably heard about, big gambling area. That away. And this is the way we're coming from, is down this way. So I'm gonna see if I can, probably right here, see if I can get down a little bit closer to that water, take a little bit of water shots. So we'll see. Hope I don't fall in. Having fun, Andy?
Yeah.
Bikes are working real good. The only problem with it is the cars seem to want to go so slow, the bikes seem to want to go so fast.
Like doing like 15 over the speed limit, that's just too slow on there.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a lot of fun. If the camera goes making funny sweeping gestures up and down, side to side, probably meant I fell. So hopefully you won't see any of that. Problem is gonna have to call a tow truck to get me back up here maybe, who knows. Pretty steep. I made it, I think. All right. Now, if I was gonna find gold, kind of deep here, so it'd be kind of tough. But basically, behind these rocks, you can dig down, and usually the water flows higher and lower. And when it's moving fast, just now I missed it because I didn't see him quick enough. There was a boat of people coming down this rafting, commercial raft. Probably about 8, 10 people in it. Usually there's more than one that comes at a time when you're going down here, but I don't see another one. Kind of neat. This is nice rafting water for sure. All right, let me get back up. Whew. Okay. About 10, 15 miles further up, this is Highway 70, Interstate 70. What you're looking at is Georgetown. Not quite sure what that lake is called, but there's Georgetown there. This is on the way up to where we're camping, which is up on Guanella Pass, I believe it's called. Lots of mines. There's mines all over these hills. They're you couldn't shoot a pistol without hitting a miner, probably. Well, a lot of these are shut down, or most of them are shut down, but this is where they dig the gold out. And actually, this is right in the area where they found the most gold in Colorado. Same lake, with a wide-angle shot, so it looks a little more scenic, I hope. Andy down there looks like he's got something out for a camera. I think he said he was packed his camera so far away. He's got a really, really, really nice, smaller, nearly professional camera that can almost fit in his pocket. But for some reason, he doesn't bring that. Yeah, he's got his regular camera. Little gas stop here. This is Georgetown. Just off of I-70 right there. You can see it behind there, probably. Right up there. Stop, take a couple pictures. 1890s, you think?
1870s.
1870s.
Usually there's a sign right there on that building. I'll tell you.
Where?
Over on that building, the corner building.
Oh, the corner building? Oh yeah, plaques on there. Let's walk over and look at it. Georgetown. $18.89. It says $18.89 on there. Yeah. Granite, I guess, huh? Looks like.
Bank.
Yeah, it looked like it was a bank building. Red Ram building, it says up there. You can read it.
Because I don't see it on here.
Come here.
Yeah, she would. Antique stores. Yeah, this is all wasted on guys. We like to see the scenery a little bit, but we're gonna come here for a week and be happy.
Shop everywhere,
Yeah. Didn't know everybody by their first name before they got out of here. All right, well, here's what we came in on. I said, here's what we came in on. More or less. That's the way to travel right there. I said, that's the way to travel. Yeah. This big hill up there. Well, we're up Lord ways, Guanella Pass Road. This is looking back down on, well, that's the lake for that town. The trees are kind of hiding the town. So I'll zoom in a little bit here. Still don't know how high we are. Got some wildlife up here.
You should be able to. If you can do it with one hand, I don't know.
I probably can. If I had a strap on my wrist, I wouldn't mind it.
Yeah. I mean, because they'll stay there when you drive by them.
Yeah. Well, we can try. main area where the power lines come down to feed that what was it, Georgetown, I guess? Anyway, they go up all the way up the same, along the side of the same road, follow the same pass that we're going through. Pretty nice. It's about 50 right now. It'll be really cold, 13,000 foot, if that's how high we're actually going to be camping, according to Andy.
All right, now we got no wide angle. I can zoom down in there a little bit. All right, I think that's that reservoir.
No, that's one of the ones that that was the one that had the power station on it.
Yeah, that was a reservoir.
Yeah.
That was the reservoir that we passed. All right.
Thanks.
Up higher, probably gotta be 10,000 now, maybe a little higher. Got it, close to it. I'm gonna get a wide cut on this one, so get around it a little here. And really some nice hairpins here. You couldn't tell, that was a nice one. Tell Andy I shifted without using the clutch. Don't tell him about that one either. There we go. Pretty meadows down there. Guanella Pass summit area. Oy.
Pretty nice looking around here.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. Oh my. I gotta get the lens off again, I guess. Because we got a little bit of scenery here further away, so I don't need to have a wide angle. Okay. So stand up on this rock right here. Some nice scenery out there. Almost can get me in there. Kind of messes the picture up though when I do that. I've seen a guy do that once on the internet. See the mountains out there? Look at the snow on them. And the valleys and the passes and the cuts. Back up all the way. And that's every bit of 40. That might be 50 or 60. It's way back there. I think we're, is there a lake right there? I see it.
Yeah, there's lakes out here.
Right down there.
Yeah, but there's lakes right next to the road up here.
Yeah. What are you looking at?
That's one of you. This is for your thing.
Oh, you took one of me, huh? Oh, yeah. I see that.